All right, friends. Can I go to the next part now? The next thing that we have to learn is what are the different types of bond. Friends, there are mainly three types of bonds. First one is what you call it as a regular bond. Second one is what we call it as a zero coupon bond. And the last one is what we will call it as the perpetual bond. Okay. So friends, regular bond is basically a bond which has got limited life. So let us say it has got a life of 5 years. It will have a redemption value at the end of 5 years. There will be an amount that it will be paying. All right. Then it will have coupon rate. Coupon payments will be made on a regular basis. These are the three major criteria of a regular bond. Okay. We are going to do questions on all of this in the upcoming part. All right. Now, when you talk about zero coupon bond, okay, here also you have limited life, but you also have redemption value. But as the name suggests, it is a zero coupon bond. So when you call it as a zero coupon bond, what will happen to your coupon payments over here? You will have zero coupon payments. When you talk about perpetual bonds, friends, the word perpetual actually means infinity. All right. So when you say perpetual bond, it is bonds which are issued towards infinity. So here what happens is you are going to have unlimited life. Everybody clear? But when you talk about the other scenarios, apart from unlimited life, you will not have any redemption value also, because life is going on forever. So no redemption value. I'll just highlight that part also. But you will have coupons being paid forever. So friends, these are the three types of bonds. One is called as a regular bond. Second one is called as a zero coupon bond. And the last one is called as the perpetual bond. In the next video, I will teach you how we can value regular bond separately, zero coupon bond separately, and perpetual bond separately. Thank you so much.